What's up guys? It is day 5 in Turkey, in Istanbul. Today we had breakfast at our hotel. I guess you could consider it a traditional Turkish breakfast. It was like a buffet style. So we just wanted something quick to eat. We slept in a little bit today, at least I did, so getting a later start to today. But we are going to Kadıköy again to have more baklava and coffee at the place we went last time, and we're doing a Turkish lamp workshop at 2 p.m. where we learn how to make a mosaic lamp and then also get some tea while we're doing it and Turkish delights, which in my opinion don't taste that good, but they're giving it to us, so might as well eat it. Might as well eat it. Yeah. After that we are going on a sunset Bosphorus cruise. That's at 7 p.m. So today is we have things set, but it is kind of open. So
trying to have a calm day because tomorrow we're going to the islands.
Yes,
So
tomorrow
will probably be tiring. Right.
We booked a full day tour for the Prince's Island. So that'll be tomorrow. So we're trying to, you know, take things slow today, have some fun, drink some coffee, do some arts and crafts. Also, forgot to mention, I'm wearing this dress that I got at least, in Kadıköy at this boutique shop. So, very bright, very orange, but perfect for the summer weather.
Yeah.
Wearing dresses is the way to go in Istanbul, in my opinion, because it's very windy, so it kind of keeps you cool. It's very humid. So wearing tight-fitting clothing, maybe not the best idea. Yeah, don't wear jeans if you can. Or dresses. I've been wearing dresses pretty much every day, and I've been really enjoying it. So Turkish coffee, nice and sweet. We got this chocolate baklava again.
Melts in your mouth.
It's like full chocolate croissant in a way. Now in Galata Port, basically the same area where the Istanbul Modern Art Museum is that we went to the other day. But right now we're just walking around to kill some time before our Turkish mosaic lamp workshop class.
Girl, we got
So hour 40 progress update. Halfway done. I made little hearts on it. The light blue is actually the clear one, but as you can see, so this is like how it's supposed to be, but low-key I felt like it went well with the orange and yellow, so I used that as my color combination. So I'm gonna do 3 on this side, and then 3 on the other side. Now put the beads on the lamp. Put the glue on, the silicone glue or something like that. Put more of it on here and scoop the beads onto here and then push them down.
There's part of mine.
Nice. So wait, do the beads go off light or no?
Yeah, I think it goes through.
All right. So here goes nothing.
Thank you.
All right. Yay!
I love it.
Looks nice.
Are you happy with
light
it?
is different. It
Yeah.
matches your.
I know, it actually
It
matches my
matches your
outfit
dress.
too.
This is cute.
Yay. Done at, was it Highlights in Istanbul?
Yes.
So we have our ceramics, or no, our mosaics. Mosaics, wrong thing. I would say it was a great experience. Would definitely recommend you do it if you are in Istanbul and want to go to Kadıköy, have a day, have a couple hours to spare. Now we're heading back to take the tram back to Sultanahmet from Tophane.
Yep.
And then we'll update you guys if we get something to eat. If not, might be a little bit hangry on this dinner cruise, on this sunset cruise. I'll do the same as her. Yes. What is it, sausage? Yeah. And then a little of corn. Okay. This is a kumpir, and I just added a bunch of stuff. I think it's sausage, yogurt, corn, red cabbage, mushroom, couscous, I think. Oh, couscous. It's at the very bottom. And there might be a couple other things in there. Tzatziki sauce, olives. It's on the boat. A lot of people here. Very, very busy for sunsets. Be on here for about 2 hours. Alright, Remi, we're back. The sunset cruise is done. I'm holding the blankets. Thank goodness the hotel gave it to us because it was freezing cold and windy.
Rachel was wrapped up, bro. Looking like my grandma.
You know, it was super windy on the boat. What could I do? But Remi, what'd you think of?
I liked it. I
the
like looking at
Bosphorus?
stuff. So there's a lot of like multi-story buildings where I'm like, damn, I would not want to live on the top of that building. What about you? What did you think?
It was nice. I feel like maybe if I was to do it again, I would sit in the seat in front of us so I could look out at the skyline.
We sat the wrong way.
Yeah, we sat the wrong way, so we were like the entire time trying to see everything.
Rush to try and find a seat.
Yeah, but overall it was nice. It was good to kind of just see the area. Although I don't really feel like the audio was like loud enough to like hear what they were saying about each place, but overall it was nice. It was just, you know, $20, so it wasn't like crazy expensive. Just get to ride on a boat and everything. So should we just cross over? I don't want to cross over, but yeah, so we're heading back to the hotel now. We could probably walk. Alright, we got Iskender kebab and lentil soup. So I'm gonna try first the Iskender. Maybe I'll dip it in a little bit of the yogurt.
That's really good.
Okay, I'm gonna try lentil soup. It tastes different than I was expecting.
I like it.
Heading back to the hotel now. We have our Princess Island tour. Tomorrow it's all day, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Picking us up in the hotel at 8:30, 8:45. So it's gonna be an early start. Need to figure out breakfast tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Probably going to get semi or something like that. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed our Kadıköy Bosphorus trip. And we'll see you guys in the next video.